Hi, my friend. A quick update here on the 21 inch on my Vicla style 2005 Road King Classic that I love. I'm loving this bike. This bike is fun, guys. And I'm going to tell you, the 21 did something that I really wasn't expecting. In my opinion, I thought this bike was going to run not as good as it does right now. I thought it was going to run different. I thought something was going to be in the way. I don't know what I was thinking, but I didn't suspect the bike to run this good. Since I put this 21, some of you guys have been asking me, how is the bike running? And I'm going to tell you right now, it's running better. It's running awesome. It's running just fantastic. Now, obviously, we're going to do a quick look right here on the 21 inch. You can see those fat spokes right there. They're really nice. It came with that tire. You could ask for a different tire. Is that something that you want? And I did got that right there, which is like a riser for the fender, because you know what, the fender was a little bit too tight. But again, I love this thing. You can see it right here. Can't wait until I make this forged chrome, but you can see it right there. The dude came with the rodders as well, and you see it right there. So again, how did the bike feel? How did the bike is working? Like I said, it's working so much better. I am gonna put some B-roll right here, put a little bit of music just to show you how the bike is running right now. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy that music and that little riding. I love riding this thing, but like I said, it feels a lot better. First of all, it feels a little bit higher. So being higher, to me, it's kind of like easier to maneuver. Like the front of the motorcycle itself, that's what I'm talking about. It feels a little bit higher. So when you come into corners, when you come into turning, when you do any, slow maneuver or anything like that, just the fact that it's a little bit higher in the front, the bike feels more nimble. It feels easy to do with those 8 hangers that I have. It feels like it's easy to turn, easy to take curves, or right turns and all that stuff. It just feels like it's easy to take a U-turn, you name it. It is just an easier bike to move around, and that rim did that, because I remember without the ring, it wasn't as easy, right? So it kind of takes a little bit away of the weight, right? Like the motorcycle is kind of heavy, but this ring, it kind of makes the motorcycle feel a little bit less heavy, right? I don't know if that's a true thing or not, but it's just how it feels to me. I love the look, right? It gives it like a really mean look, like a really crazy look, like people will walk by and now would acknowledge, right? I got a 2005 Road King, guys. Really, it's a cool bike, but it's nothing to like scream about, right? And I got people stopping and looking at the bike and, asking me questions just because of that 21 inch in the front. Also the 39 inch pipes, on the whole Cholo style. People love that stuff and they're always asking me questions. But again, it just gives it like a really aggressive look. But other than the look, it makes it right a lot better. So if you're considered to get a 21 inch, just keep in mind that in my opinion, in the Road King, you know, I don't know all the bikes, but in the Road King, it just makes it more nimble and easier to ride. It does pick it up a little bit. So if you are kind of like tippy-toe your bike and you really can't afford another inch or so, just keep that in mind. Mine kind of went up a little bit. I'm still able to maneuver my bike with no issue, but I do feel like I went up a little bit, right? So keep that in mind. Like I say, if you're tippy-toeing your bike and you put this ring, you may not be able to reach down. But overall, I'm very, very happy with the 21. Quick update here. I'm loving it. I think it was one of my favorite, or has been one of my favorite upgrades to this bike, as long as the bar, as long with the pipe, everything has been one of my favorite upgrades on this bike. But again, it has been one of my favorite, and I'm very, very happy with it. Again, 21 inch. I'll put the name right here so you guys can see it. A link down there as well if you want to buy and support the channel. Obviously, that's an affiliate link. But again, very, very happy with it. I highly recommend it.